What's up everybody? So in this video I just wanted to show you guys what I've been doing to maintain my cornrows, my braids, this hairstyle, what I've been doing for the last 2 weeks. So if you're interested, keep watching. Welcome back to my channel everybody, HairObsess Jay C, always on a hair obsessed journey to long relaxed hair. If you're new here, please consider subscribing to my channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. And if you're enjoying this video during the time that you're here with me, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. So I've been using this Tea Tree braid spray. This is the brand I've been using. It says that it helps to control itching and flaking, conditions and adds shine to the hair, and it has a cool feeling to the scalp, and I love the cool feeling on the scalp. So I've been using this every 2 weeks, guys. It does have the nice cool feeling, but I'm experiencing tremendous amount of itching. Now my mom told me the reason why I'm experiencing all this amount of itching is because I have the extensions in, right? She's an expert in the extensions because she used to braid her hair every 4 weeks. So what I'm going to do, I thought about a concoction that I was maybe thinking on using, and I'm going to take advantage of the light this morning and show you guys what I came up with last night, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. This is the concoction that I just made, and I'm just going to try this out now and tell you guys a little bit later in the week how this is working out for me with the itching. I added a few things there that should help. Let's see. So I just raise it up like this, and I'm just going to do that, and then I just rest it back there, and I do the same at the back. And then I go in between. Now this also has a cool feeling, and just to let the front look a little neater, just for the video, I'm going to use some of the olive oil Oars wrapping lotion. And then I'm just going to wrap this up just before I go to work, so just let the flyaways settle in. So I'm just going to leave that on for a few minutes, and that's it, and I'll be off to work. This is what I plan to do for the entire week. I have a feeling that I could have added a little bit more of the eucalyptus oil. I do have this coolish feeling to my scalp, but it's not as much as I want it to be. So after I am finished with this video, I will be adding just a little bit more of the eucalyptus oil, and I'll be doing this for the entire week. I'll let you guys know later down how I like this and how it's been working out for me. So if this video was helpful, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Hit the notification bell so you don't miss anything, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Adios.